Here we will understand why decentralized finance is important and why this is beyond your banking system. You need to know because in the banking system, there is someone to control your funds. There is someone, the organization has entire control on it. And even when you try to get your own funds, sometimes it is very difficult. Like they ask you many questions, and even it takes ample of time to get your own funds out of this centralized platform because that are driven by institution. But when we talk about decentralized financial system, this platform are unique because it is not run or governed or controlled by any middleman. That is like everything on the smart contract which are audited, which are cetric certified, and then based on the mathematical calculation on the smart contract, they are functioning. I have on the screen, you can see I have shared you some of the basic major advantages of this decentralized financial system. Okay. In the decentralized financial system, you don't have the ownership, like you don't know the owner name, address, or anything. No KYC is needed, so many people can be a part of this platform irrespective of their countries boundaries and from where they are doing the transaction. That is the plus point. Second, there is a lower gas fee because in most of the time when we talk about banks, there is a higher gas fee. The gas fee in the sense the banking transaction charges or handling charges, processing charges, they take huge amount of percentage in providing you that service. But in decentralized, it's a very low, hardly 0.1 to 1%. And the settlement which take place on the decentralized platform, it is the instant settlement within a fraction of second. Within a fraction of second you get it. Okay. Then the moment you provide liquidity also onto the decentralized platform, you get your liquidity unlocked any period of time. So that is the major changes which decentralized systems are doing currently. And you are able to track the entire liquidity of the platform where you are providing funds or you're using that decentralized finance system. So that is giving you a huge profitability, and even that is giving you more transparent and more user friendly experiences.